Alright, I'm here with Ry-Sebastian, and we're going to test the chemistry of swimming on the new swimsuits. First, we're going to start off with just a drag suit, which is going to cause a lot of drag, and we're just going to see how he performs with it. Alright.
As Ryan gets in the water and starts swimming with his drag suit, his suit is not very hydrophobic and it absorbs a lot of water molecules. This is slowing him down. On the second half of his lap here, he seems very fatigued as he has already absorbed a lot of oxygen molecules, making more surface area and slowing him down. Ryan's flip turn is the strongest part of his swimming, but ever since he used his drag suit, he used a lot of potential energy that was wasted and was not able to put it into a good quality flip turn. Next, Ryan changed into a Speedo, a more hydrodynamic suit. As you can see in this closer view, the Speedo is able to push the water off much easier than the drag suit, as the drag is intended to cause drag, while the suit is supposed to be more hydrodynamic.
As you can see him go along, his body is cutting through the H2O molecules, and the Speedo suit, instead of creating more drag and resistance, creates less drag and allows him to cut through the water more easily. Making his time improve by 9 seconds.
By having a more hydrodynamic suit, Ryan was not as fatigued going into his flip turn, making it stronger and faster off the wall, giving him a better time. As you can tell, even though it's mostly the swimmer, the suit makes a difference. Now Ryan changed into a traditional jammer.
Alright, after our first 2 takes, Ryan has changed into a Speedo jammer, which covers more of his body and may allow him to go a little bit more faster because there's going to be less drag due to the material that will be covering more surface area and will not be slowing him down. Alright, let's do this. Take 3.
Since this traditional jammer covers more of Ryan's exposed drag areas, he was able to use the potential energy during his start and make it a strong start, leading into a very strong turn. Some of the potential energy that was saved during the start was put into this very strong 1.4 second turn. Next we change into a more performance enhancing suit, the Fastskin 2. The Fastskin 2 is similar to Arena's X Pro Glide that they released in 2007 for the 2008 Olympics, but the suit was soon outlawed for being too fast. Over 20 world records were shattered, showing that these suits were illegal due to the polyurethane that was contained within them. The polyurethane was placed on the outside, and since it's negative and the swimsuit is hydrophobic, it is similar to a phospholipid bilayer of a cell and does not like the polar molecules of water, making the suit repel the water. But in 2009, FINA, swimming's governing body, banned the suits for being too fast. From then on, polyurethane was not allowed to be used on any swimsuit. Despite not having polyurethane on his suit, the FS2 repels water very well. Watch closely to see how the suit acts like a phospholipid of a cell, repelling the polar water off of the suit. Of all of his flip turns on the day, this one was one of the fastest. But now it was time to watch how the Laser Racer, the fastest legal suit in the world, used by Olympians, is used by Ry-Sebastian.
Alright, now for our final take, Ry-Sebastian with FS3 goggles, as I said before, fastest goggles on the market, and also with the suit that the Olympians use, the Speedo Laser. It's the fastest legal suit because it's able to easily repel water. And
this suit uses a material similar to polyurethane. This material was developed by NASA, and they made it with a negative charge. Thus, it would repel the negative polar molecule of water, making no water stick to the suit and causing resistance. When it jumps in the water, the suit acts like a plant cell wall with a backbone of tightly chained molecules that won't let any water pass through it. As you see it glow up, that is all the water that is stuck on the outside and will soon be repelled off. As he swims along, you look closely and you can see that the water is passing right over the suit. Here you can see some of the bubbles that are still stuck on the suit waiting to be repelled off.
Alright, now for his final time with the fastest suit that the Olympians use. Leading to a faster time. As you can see here, the water doesn't even go onto the suit, it just repels straight off. Leading to Ryan's fastest time of 24 seconds.
This suit can do no wrong, as the pressure keeping the suit tight to Ryan's body allows him to do a quick flip turn without any air escaping from within his suit.
As you can see, the suit stays, water comes right off, there's barely any water staying on the suit right now. Alright, thank you, Ryan. Alright, with the laser, how does it feel compared to any of the other suits you wore today?
Well, with the laser, the suit is much tighter and there's a different fabric that the suit's made out of, and the fabric allows you to stay afloat on the water easier, therefore helps you cut through the water, and you don't have to use as much energy to stay afloat. Previously there have been suits that have been banned because the material increases the buoyancy too much, and therefore FINA thought that they were unfair and banned them from the Olympic Games.
Alright, awesome, thank you.
Hopefully through all this you got to learn a little bit more about swimming and the chemistry behind the amazing suits that makes the swimmer. Now here's a very random video, but enjoy.